Wait lang. Pwede ba ko? Daanan.
Okay, yeah.
Hello, first of all, congratulations. Is this your first award dito sa Awit?
Actually, yeah, it's my first time accepting an award and like going to stage. So we're like being in the industry for 2 years, I think. So it's very nice. It's a nice feeling.
Yeah, yun na nga. Kamusta yung feeling na umakit ka sa stage and then you won an award?
It was nerve-wracking. I was like so shocked with the award. So parang, wala, paano ba ito? Hindi naman nakaisip ng speech. So binilisan ko na lang para tapos agad.
Ayan, tapos sa mga 18 dyan, siyempre nagtatanong sila bakit wala si Philip. Do you know why? Kung wala, bakit wala siya?
Di ko alam eh, pero magkasama lang kami kahapon because we had a album launch for my group player.
Yeah, last night.
Sabi ko sa kanya, punta ka boss. Sabi niya, di ko alam. So di ko na rin alam. Sabi ko, surprise ka ba? Wala. Siguro hindi talaga.
He also won an award, Best Solo Artist, like yung
yeah.
Diba? How does it feel working with Philip, with the album and the song?
That's my guy, bro. Like, ever since we started working early last year, or even nung 2023 pa, mga end of 2023, parang naging super close talaga kami because, Bisaya, our group's Bisaya, and he's Bisaya. So parang same kami ng humor, same, parang classmates sa school, parang ganun yung vibes namin. Tas same rin kami ng mga gusto, like, ng music taste, ganyan. So, kung anong trip niya, trip ko rin, trip namin. So, super enjoy lagi.
Yes, kaya naman nagbuo yung song and the album.
Yeah.
And then you won an award with that song.
Yeah, it is crazy.
Yeah. Any plans of doing another song or collaboration with him?
Siyempre, secret.
Yeah, mukhang meron. Kasi sa IG story niya, parang merong something na ginagawa. Hopefully, yun. Ayun. Wish mo na. Thank you very much.
Thank you, bro. Thank you so much.
Last question na lang. Sa mga ibang member ng SB19, sino pa yung gusto mo makakollab aside from Philip?
Siguro si, Josh. Si Josh Cullen, that's our guy. Then every time makita kami, parang sobrang vibes din. And then, yeah, hopefully soon. Tara, man, let's go.
Yes, we're looking forward to that. Congrats again.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Jayco. We have more. Ayan. Okay, Alan pa ko. Okay, go.
Hello, congratulations.
Thank you po.
So how would you compare yung feeling of parang being recognized for your work sa technicals, behind the scenes, as compared to yung as a performer?
It's like, it's really humbling din, and like parang naisip ko rin na iba yung feeling na na-recognize ka as a producer because I think I put as much effort as in production and being as a performer and an artist. So parang I'm super thankful na na-recognize din yung technical sides because not most of the time, especially here in the Philippines, na yung mga mixing engineers, producers, yung parang na-highlight. So it's so nice na Awit Awards has these categories actually. So yeah, very, very thankful.
And
Kala ko last, sorry.
Yun lang. So may winning an award like this, parang do you feel like any parang pressure to do better or to equal, surpass what you've already done?
Medyo, yeah, may pressure na parang kung may award, baka dapat may award naman next year. Pero wala naman, we're just doing this for the love of music. So actually, mga awards, di talaga namin na-expect. Pero like, now that they're here, it means na our work really like resonated with the people. And like the people's like, yung mga critics, mga ganyan. So it's very, very like amazing feeling. So yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Last question from Man in Manila.
Okay.
So how would you describe your style and yung style ni Philip, lalo na nung nagko-collaborate kayo? How was your creative process when you were doing this?
Style, in terms of style, I think it's more on trap na mixed with rock. Because we both like rock and meron kaming parang na time na we have to mix guitar and beats, yung mga trap beats, ganyan. So pretty much most of the album, Seven Sins, is like super rock influence but super like hype beats, mga ganun. And then ano ba? Pero same lang talaga kami ng trip eh. Yung kung ano pinapakinggan niya, pinapakinggan ko. And then parang, gawa tayo ng ganyan, gawa tayo ng ganito. Next session, ibang song naman, ibang reference naman. And same lang talaga, kaya super nag-vibe and nagawa namin yung 7 Sins.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you po.
Thank you so much and
Thank
congratulations again. Nakapag-photo na, no?
I think
We
so,
have the
yeah.
photo na. Alright, thank you so much.
Thank
That
you
will be
po.
the end of our Q&A. So, we proceed here na lang.
I'm here. Dito? Dito lang. Daddy. Daddy. Daddy.
Dear Sam, here 1, 2, 3, isa pa, last one, thank you. Dear Sam. Sam.
Ikaw pinaniniwalaan kita. Walas.
Correct. Nakawait ko pa naman. Reading story.
Oh, nagdating story nga.
Ugoy.
Ay, letter day story. Ay, Kuya Dex.
Grabe,
Mabibigay ako.
Yan.
Kalsada. Ayan.
Ay,
Kayo na bahala.
You.
Kayo na bahala.
Get one in taas. Wait, tangkuha muna ako. Get one in taas.
Ay. Well, first time na
Dito muna yung tatlo.
exception for Awit. Thank you. Thank you. Photo.
Dapat pala lumala.
Sana naman kilala natin, di ba? Best time na kilala.
Wow. Judgmental.
Napaka-judgmental.
Delivery ng parcel. Ay, si ano?
Si Mr.
One so.
Mga M-Quest ata yan.
Mga M-Quest.
Oo, taga M-Quest.
Hello po. Say hi naman po. Alam mo na rin. Thank you.
Six Cycle Mine. Mga bait sila pag kinakawayan.
Against the light.